Today is the day we are headed out to... What? Can you stop? I'm vlogging here. We are headed out to Dallas, Texas to visit the International Motorcycle Show, also known as IMS. We're gonna take you guys around the show, and then afterwards we're hosting a meet and greet out at Strokers Dallas, out at Rick Fairless's joint, featuring Adam Sandoval, Fast Life Garage, and the Between Two Wheels podcast crew, aka Roblox and Uncle Ken. But first we have like a 4.5 hour road trip, so let's go get in the truck. Hey Roblox, are we there yet?
Yeah.
Are we there yet?
No, not yet.
Hey Roblox, are we there yet?
No!
Hey Roblox, are we there yet?
Really?
Are we there yet?
What the hell, man?
Hey Roblox, are we here yet?
Yes.
We are actually here, guys. We're in the parking garage here at the, what's this place called? The Bay?
K. Bailey Hutchinson.
K.
Bailey Hutchinson Convention Center.
K. Bailey Hutchinson Center. Why is my screen? Oh, there we go. Miss Bird didn't do her makeup this morning, so we gotta wait for her to do that. And then I gotta get all my camera stuff ready, which is this. I'm ready. You have to get your cameras ready?
Yes.
I guess we're gonna be waiting for that too. You alright there?
Yep. I'm good.
Say woo IMS! Woo IMS! Check out these dope shirts they got made. BTW Podcast, Uncle Ken, Roblox, and then they didn't make me one, so guess I know how they really feel about me.
But they made Tracy one.
But they made Tracy one, yeah. Tracy's not even on the podcast and she got a shirt.
She's mentioned the podcast a lot.
Bullshit.
I know.
Oh, going up here. Look at all the bikes. Those are actually just people that are coming to the show. That actually has nothing to do with the show besides it's just special motorcycle. It's free motorcycle parking if you ride your motorcycle here.
You know that, right? Woo!
I think that was kind of the point.
Look at them
Jesus Christ. That is the line to get in. But we're VIP, so we get to go a different line.
Bodacious.
Bodacious.
Yeah.
Grab a bag, boo. Progressive Motorcycle Club. Ooh, how do you feel about that? Doing a 3-piece patch on a bag like that?
Yeah, that's gay.
Same one? Yeah. The Ride On or the Moto Club? Baby.
Huh?
Ride On or Moto Club?
Ride On.
Those make good grocery bags.
Well,
We got a sturdy handle for all your giveaways or your freebies. Last year when we came, I challenged Ken to get as much free stuff as he possibly could, and he got quite a bit. You brought back way more than I thought you would.
I still find a lot of stuff too.
That's a lot of patches. Look at all those patches.
oh my god. Look, there's kids. Aww.
I'm such an asshole. It's accurate. High vis. High vis. High vis. High vis. High vis. Those are dope.
Actually, it's for us to wear when we're letting you test helmets, so I don't have to put a helmet on.
Yeah, but that's an excellent setup, though.
Yeah.
Oh, this is great around town. Yeah, it's all it's really good
That's
for.
all it's good for.
Yeah. Oh, it's actually it's good on a nice long ride too.
They get wider.
It's a big butt.
I got a 16-inch seat on my bike.
I'd ride it.
Get on it. Take a picture of it.
Okay.
Yeah, you get on. I'm not getting on. That's funny. I'm not.
Oh, I thought you were getting on.
Well, I thought I was too.
No, I want to get on.
Should
you get on?
Well, I want to get
How
on
sturdy
it.
is that stage?
Get up on it.
Come on, you can do
Oh,
it.
come on.
Nice.
ground now.
You gotta bend the elbow a little bit. Look over the mirror.
He's just trying to.
There you go. Put your foot on the back.
Look at how far I am.
You gotta keep those feet up.
Look how far I am from the
You also have to
ground.
remember
You're
it's
on a
off the
stand.
air. You're
Oh.
top of
Yes.
No.
So you get flat foot.
I get flat foot. Yeah, my legs already.
Well, everybody hold it.
It's not hard to do.
All right, Bird. Throw a leg over it, like you know what you're doing.
If I do that, I will fall.
You know, you can take a shower.
This feels like a Orlando privacy.
Yeah.
Lean into the turn, babe.
Face your camera.
I'm more talking about
Get out of the way. What the? Damn way. You don't know what the hell you're doing. Here's the way you ride it.
Oh,
Now you video somebody knows what the hell they're doing.
Steve!
Yeah. You mean I'm
hasn't made
a
the connection
photographer?
yet.
You want to see one of my pictures I took? Show him the picture I took. You're the photographer. It's on your arm.
Oh, yeah. He took that picture.
Oh.
This is my
Yes.
uncle.
Oh, really?
oh, hi,
Yeah.
Uncle.
As in Johnny's good-looking brother.
Oh,
That's my
You know, the
uncle.
other one.
Wow.
I thought you were kidding.
Nope.
That's why I told him to get out of the way.
I was like, what's going on?
I wasn't sure. At first, I looked like it, then I saw that bird by. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
I was like, damn it. I was like, damn, this old guy just came up and was like,
Get off.
move it,
Get off the
youngin'.
But just toss them in hot water to reset it back to clear liquid.
You like that?
But yeah, seasons help out a lot with any tension. How's that feel?
Should I continue? It's so nice.
She went cross-eyed there for a second.
That's good. That is awesome.
Faith like hers? You gotta try it.
Oh, if I have one.
Are you with me? It's Faith yoga.
Yeah.
Face yoga.
He has them.
Yeah, I have a
Anyway.
whole bunch of them.
You try
I
it.
spent
It's so
like
good.
$120.
Give it, Justin.
It feels too good to be awkward.
It's too good. It's too good.
Nice.
I'm so uncomfortable. Are you seeing how drunk you are already?
Yes.
we are just with opinions.
But you can also become a
Okay,
member.
done. And now it's analyzer. Gonna take that off. In a minute.
That's color, but.
Morning, 0.024.
You had one drink, a .024?
Not fair.
Wow.
At your own for $845. So you'd have to do
9?
9? No, that's only $450. Or 9 bikes.
9 bikes.
So that's $900.
That's 2 years for you. Oh wait, no, you never own your bikes long enough to have to change the tires.
They still have the.
When he buys new tires, it comes on a new bike.
Yeah. He wants to go get new tires, just gets a new bike.
I just need it out to about right there.
Need Ford controls?
We got enough room for a couple of bodies and 11 leather jackets in there.
Yeah. Oh yeah, she's ready to go. See how you look from the back. Oh yeah. Wide.
Huh?
I said wide.
Why?
No clutch,
But
no brake, no front brake.
just here.
I think one foot control. You think you could handle the 1 foot control?
I don't know. That's a little much.
Yeah, you are asking a lot still.
Start it.
I wouldn't do that.
No balls.
Hey, look.
On the fly adjustment. Hold on, do that again. Wow. That's impressive, not gonna lie.
But foot pegs, I mean,
Still a little short, but you're also gigantic, so. What does that do right there?
That's forward and reverse.
Forward and reverse, gotcha.
All fully automatic. Pull it straight back towards you. There's no arc to it.
Wow. Jonathan's new bike.
Watch this kid right here.
This kid knows what he's doing. Send it.
Yeah, buddy.
No. Yeah.
I saw this motorcycle. We built them in Birmingham, Alabama.
Birmingham.
Oh yeah. Show me how many movies.
Oh, jeez. That is so cool, man.
We just dropped off a bike for the filming of the next Fast and Furious movie. Oh yeah? That's what.
Was that like 15? Or?
23.
I lost track.
You should have one movement out.
Look at the price.
$60,000.
Holy shit. If I don't write it down, I'll forget.
125 horsepower at 390 pounds.
Damn.
Yeah. Get it, baby. Can you see what they're saying?
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus. Is that as fast as that thing goes?
It'll speed up like once you go for a bit. Turbo mode.
Oh,
Twist the throttle anymore?
turbo mode.
I took a go picture.
So how was it?
Recorded the rest.
How was it?
I'm so dizzy.
Oh my god, I have no
Now you need a picture float.
You're getting a root beer float?
Yeah.
Damn it. So Allstate's giving out free root beer floats. And we're waiting for Adam Sandoval to show up. We're gonna go meet up with him and we might go grab lunch. I don't know what the exact plan is, but it should be fun. Ooh, that's pretty.
Exhilarating power out of the 399cc crotch rocket. Parallel twin.
Calling them liars?
Oh, it's a 399, but they're calling it 400. Get it right, people. Get it right.
Everyone exaggerates a little bit. Mr. 9.
6 inches.
Does he know him?
I was like, God damn it.
I was like, he doesn't recognize him. This could get dangerous.
I wasn't ready for this today.
Dude, I'm more comfortable sitting on this than I was standing up.
Well, think about
yeah.
it though, when you're out on the trail, you need to take this up. I should throw some ape hangers on it. Bro, 26.
Cruiser engine cover kit.
Here's
Mustache
all the
highway
stuff.
bar. Rear highway bar.
Nice.
Oh wait, that's a big bore kit.
Yeah, there's the stage 3 big bore
Thunderstroke,
kit
stage 1
and
slip-on
stage 1
exhaust kit.
exhaust.
Oh, wow. They've got a stage 3.
But their stage 3 is a 118. See, this is what kills me.
This way.
All this is still cable clutch.
Some people prefer that.
I like the cable.
I do too.
Hydraulic, it hurts my hand.
If you used it more, it'd get stronger.
It's my left hand.
Yep.
Yeah, that's the tallest one I've sat on all the. Roadblock is 6'3".
I can flat foot it. My nuts hurt.
Yeah. It feels super light, right? And it's not, if I remember correctly. Looks like that windshield adjusts, right?
That's sitting 13,499.
What? The Africa Twins are only 1,300?
That one's 13,000. 15.
Or 13,000?
You get one of those.
Yeah, that one right here that he's on is
Get a
15
4-wheeler.
or 16.
I wonder what the difference is. I could ride that. There you go, Alicia. Finally a bike she can flat foot and not drop. Woo! Look at it! That is so awesome! They're so much cooler in person. Big man and a little bike. Wow. Wow. Look at this one, the Super Cub.
Motorcycle fans, if you'd like to hear author, award-winning filmmaker, and AMA Hall of Famer, Peter Starr.
That's not bad.
Check it out.
On my tiptoes.
Shut up. Oh my God. You're completely sat down.
Okay, you need to go to China. They do leg extension surgery.
Wow. Miss Bird can't flat foot a monkey. That is hilarious.
4199.
Try out the Grom. They even have it in the color that you like.
That in blue?
Yeah.
An updated chassis that delivers more robot handling.
There you have it, guys. She cannot flat foot a Grom.
Just barely.
She can't flat foot. That's not flat footing if you have to lean. Yeah, anyone can flat foot one foot. That's called leaning. Oh yeah, baby. Oh. I'd hurt myself on this, guys. Oh, I'd hurt myself on this. It's surprisingly comfortable too. It's more comfortable than the FC and the Z900 and the Triumph Speed. Maybe not the Triumph. Triumph's probably a little bit. What do you think?
The seat's not great.
No?
I took out like
Man, it looks sick.
120 horses, 85 foot-pounds of torque.
I have to say it looks better in person.
That's kind of a tall bike.
Yeah. Man, that is tall.
It's a tall bike.
Oh, it's so comfortable.
Look at that face.
I heard there was like a YouTuber or something around here. Y'all know?
No, I haven't seen that.
No, me neither. Look at this noob.
Bunch of bird. What is that? What is that? Is that
what?
A bunch of bird brains in there?
Oh yeah. Selfie of a selfie. Alright guys, just got done with the IMS. Met up with Adam Sandoval as well as the guys from Fast Life Garage. I'm gonna get Ken out of the frame because I know he's gonna do something stupid. It is 3:30, so we got quite a while before the meetup, but we are starving and we're gonna go get a bite to eat out at Twisted Root Burger Company, the original location for the meetup. So let's go get some food.
Podcast, man. You like motorcycles?
Oh, sweet. Yeah. I've been following a bunch of new podcasts.
Hey, wait, you want a sticker?
You want a sticker?
Here's a sticker.
I'm the world's okayest motovlogger. I'm on YouTube. Check me out. You're gonna be on the vlog.
Perfect name ever.
Here's one for the podcast.
Yeah, dude.
We don't have any more handouts. That's it.
Yeah.
That's all 3.
Have a great day.
Have a good one.
Bye.
Great company to be with.
Where?
We're all on our phone.
His is gone already.
Terrible.
What do you think?
Some of the best burgers in town.
Yep. I agree. I got the fresh 15. No, it's not keto, but worth it. Was it that bad?
I'm full.
You left an entire bite there.
I'm full. You got it.
Strokers, Dallas. Yeah, Rick Ferris, Stroker to Dallas. All the parties in the back apparently, so let's go see what we can get into. So it's really dark, it's really loud here, so I don't know how much footage I'm actually gonna get. But I found a balcony, had a cool shot of everyone that's here. It's pretty poppin'. It's the Cowboys game tonight, so that's probably mostly the reason, but a lot of familiar faces, so I'm gonna go chat it up with some people.